right, I lied about another video for 4-1. This is 4-2, multiplying polynomials. I skipped adding and subtracting polynomials. You are going to practice that in class, and you know it's just combining like terms and checking your signs and making sure that you're organized and you don't rush. So that's a skill that you will practice and you know how to do. It just takes time. I'm going to go to multiplying polynomials. So turn to page 168. I'm going to do 3, 5, and 7. You're going to do 4, 6, and 8. There's a core concept after that you need to copy down. Actually, any core concept in this chapter, section you need to copy down. Okay? On to number 3. We have the quantity of 4x squared plus x minus 5 times the quantity of 2x plus 1. All right, when I multiply polynomials, I make sure I do it vertically. So I'm first going to do 4x squared times 2x. 4 times 2 is 8. X squared times x is x cubed. 4x squared times 1 is 4x squared. I'm done with 4x squared. So I'm going to move on to my next term, multiply it over here. X times 2x is 2x squared. Since that's an x squared, I need to put it underneath its friend, the other x squared. X times 1 is x. And then I'm done with my x, so I move on. Negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x. Again, my like terms get lined up. And then finally, negative 5 times 1 is minus 5. And since I don't have enough room over here, I'm going to make a little bit extra of a column. So the key is that if you do this vertically, you know that your first line is going to only deal with whatever the first term was and what it multiplied to. So you can check your work fast. Your second line is only pertaining to this x. And then finally, your third line, which is squished for me, is only pertaining to the third thing in the first polynomial. So lining everything up vertically, lining up your like terms, helps you check your work really fast. And then we make a giant equal sign and we combine like terms. So 8x cubed plus 6x squared minus 9x minus 5. Super simple way to do this and check our work. Make sure that everything in the first polynomial multiplies with everything in the second polynomial. Go ahead and do number 4 right now to practice a 3 times 2. All right, likewise, number 5. This is a 2 times 2 times 2, binomial times binomial times binomial. So nothing I can do first except start at the beginning. So m times m squared. M times negative 1, negative m minus 2m plus 2. Stop there, combine some like terms. M squared minus 3m plus 2. All right, that's just my first two binomials together to make a trinomial. I still have to bring down this m plus 3. So now I have a trinomial times a binomial just like we had in numbers 3 and 4. All right, so be very organized. M squared is going to multiply with m. M squared is going to multiply with 3. Negative 3m is going to multiply with m. Negative 3m is going to multiply with 3. 2m, plus 6. And then another giant equals bar, and we combine like terms. M cubed, they cancel out, minus 7m plus 6. And that's our answer, m cubed minus 7m plus 6. So when you have a lot of different binomials or polynomials or anything, multiply, start at the front, and work your way step by step to the back. All right, you try number 6 right now, and I'm going to move on to number 7 when you're ready. All right, this is going to be something very special that you're going to do in your head soon, but, you know, if you're ever stuck or freaking out, something's being squared, which really just means something is being multiplied with itself. So, of course, we can first outer, inner, last, add them all up, and get 25a squared plus 20a plus 4. Make sure you do number 8 and then tune back in for the next video for 4-2.